I'm trying to read. Okay. Yeah, hello. Okay, wait. I will close this one. The Anaconda.
So,
Yeah. So this is a command to launch our notebook, Jupyter notebook. It will take a few seconds and then navigate from our web. From here, you can choose where your folder created. I already created Python tutorials. Then go here. If you want new, you can take it. Otherwise, here is the right side corner. You can choose with the new file also. If you don't want, go with the same one also. So I go with one, but it's not much more lengthy of the code. So still existing code only I will open file. Then fine. Now in this way we can find like a value what we are giving here. Then if I want to find like a how I can find like a ID. What is the ID actually?
Address.
Yes. Yes, correct. Address of the value. Here and won't get like X. Could you please put a mute Hall? Whenever you want to talk, then you can unmute and then talk. Thank you so much. So print. I can give X. It's getting error. X is not defined. Okay, let's see. It will come. Can you please mute from your side?
awesome.
Amish, can you mute it? I'm trying to mute. Okay.
Sorry for interruption.
Okay. Can you please mute it? No problem. Now I can check with the type.
Yes.
Type of the value one. This one only you have to give here. Then shift enter. Then it's saying that it's a integer value. So this is the way. This is the clear of all you, right? As we discussed earlier also. So this is a simple, but it's very important. Sometimes we are going to use these things also. Then we can see. You can remember all these data types. It's very important. Now I come here. I want to find the length of the integer value. Is this possible? Can I find length of the integer value directly in the Python? Anybody have idea?
We can use length function.
Yes, we can use the length function, and then we can use length function directly. It will come. Suppose I have to give like give Kiran, and can I use len? So okay, once again, if I give, as I told you, like a number, right? I have to take number, and then this number I have to find the length of x. Is this possible to get output? It's getting. Okay. Then this is a way we have to find the length of the string. So now, so what I'm trying to
Sir,
tell here
sometimes
is,
length function also, I mean, it's not execute. What will happen? We can use print function.
suppose you can use like this. Suppose, okay, you can find like this. Suppose if I want to give like this, let's see, and if we can give like this, it will be, wait, is this string, right? Is this possible to find? Why it's not getting? This is a string, but we are using a length. So directly we are using length. So wait. Suppose I have taken a number. I'm not able to convince what I'm trying to tell you. Wait. Suppose in this number directly we have to use length function, length, and pass number, and shift enter. It's not possible to getting the fetching the length of the value. This time how we can overcome? Do you have any idea?
Print function, sir.
No, print function
Print
we
of
are
length
going.
of length of number.
Okay, I will try that one also. Otherwise, I can give like this. I can assign a value like the b or n, and then come here, print. This is what you are trying to tell, right?
Yes, sir.
So even though it will
Length
not
of
getting, the name n is not defined. So the thing is, here is the concept is very simple. So if you convert the string and apply the length, so it is not possible. Why? Because there is a number is there. This number we can find the length. It is highly difficult to fetch the value, because why? This number we can convert like a string and then find, and on that we have to use the length function. There we have to find the length. Suppose, so this is the value, right? Coming here. Okay. So now this is the value. So if I have assign x equal to str number, I have to pass it. Then print So now you can see it here clearly. This number is a integer value, right? This one directly integer value on this integer values. It's not applicable. It is not able to find the length. Suppose once again. Now you can see it here. What happened previously? So if we directly assign number, we are not able to find the length of the number. Now, once this integer converted into the number, and then on that we have to use the length function. It will be display the output. So got it? So why? Because a string is not a primitive data type. It's actually built-in data type. So that we have to convert, and then we have to fetch like this. So string is a implicit like an array. So it's a by default it's a string is a array type. So that we can convert this integer to string. On that we have to apply the length function. Now I have to take another example, like a text equal to, I will consider as a like a string type. This is a text. Okay, this is the text. So here what I have to do here, I can assign like a, in this str, I convert this string like a text, and len of y. Then coming here and shift enter, then you get the length of the string. Suppose now I don't want to mention here, I just want to pass like directly. So what you get it here, output? Can anyone tell me? So what you get it, it will display exactly. Why? Because so you just, it is already a string converted, and then hold on the y variable. Then that y variable you have to print it here. So it will just simply print there. So you got it, this one, right? Suppose if you ask me a variable or case sensitive, yes, variable, and in the Python everything is a case sensitive only. That you have to remember. Suppose, how do you say it is a case sensitive means? Okay, one second, wait. Suppose here I have to take first name, then first name. Is this correct? Both are same?
No. Second
Yeah.
one is capital one. Name.
Yes, both are the different. But this is what in Python saying that it's a case sensitive. So now we coming to the next one. What is that? Third one. Complex constants. What is the complex constants? That's what we are going to see now. So actually, I don't see I can use the complex constants anywhere. Maybe data analysts can use this one. I think so. So there is a standard form is there here. that the standard form I can mention here a plus bj. So this is the standard form actually. In the complex constants will represent always like this. So if it is represents like this only, it will be, this is the standard form, it will be allowed. If you can write like this, like a plus ib, you can write like this, it won't be accepted. This is actually wrong. So this is the correct one. Coming to here. So I have taken one small example, then we will see. So this is a generally we can use the camel case declaration, the I mean, so wait. Now coming to here, suppose I have take a what is this and what is this? Actually, I forget here a word. This is the camel case, we call it as. Okay. Then this is, what about this one? In previous class, yesterday, day before yesterday, I have to explain this one also. This is a snake case, right? All small letters and separate with underscore. This is caps. That's what I forget there. Now we can go with our, come here and then take here as a, so complex number, I have to take a, this is generally using this variable declaration like this. I can give 20 plus j. So here, this is the imaginary part. This is the fixed one. Okay, that's we have to remember here. Coming here, in this complex number, I am able to convert this one like a x equal to str. So one second, otherwise the type of the, so we will see what type it is. Complex number, just copy and paste it here. Then shift enter. Then this is saying that it's a complex number. So now I can come here and then remove this one. I have to give like a high k like this. Then coming here and enter this one. You get an idea. You get the error. Why? Because this is not a complex number. So what I'm trying to tell here is, so there is a, I mean, there is a standard form that is this one only. Okay, got it right. So do you have clear on this? Okay. Now coming to Boolean. So what about the Boolean? Boolean constants. Can anyone tell Boolean how it will be declared? True or false, right? Okay. So it's very simple, right? Actually, true or false, we call it as a Boolean. When you are working a long scale applications, Booleans are very important. This two are built-in literals, as we discussed, right? How we can fetch the list of the, we can see the all the keywords, right? How we will fetch the keywords from the KWLIST. So you can write, then you get the all the Boolean values. So there is these two are the most important one, true and false. So, but you have to remember here, the capital letters of true only it's accepted. So capital letter T and a capital letter F, it is the Boolean. So now come here. I'm going to test here. I take a test here, like a true. Then come here, enter, and type of test. What you will get here? Then it's saying that Boolean. If you give like a false, shift enter, then you get like a Boolean. It's saying that the type is the Boolean. Okay, in case if I want to specify this Boolean like a string, what we will get the here? Is this get Boolean or else something we will get it? Anybody have give me answer? Ramesh, could you please tell me?
Anna?
Actually, when
Please
I
repeat it.
test equal to false I can give, then it says that the type is the false. When I declare like a single quotation, then what I get the output here? Is this
I
get a
think
Boolean? Just now I have to tell like this here also I can.
yes, Anna. It
So it's
is
can I give like
Boolean.
this? It say that str. Str in the sense of it's a string, even though it is in double quotation or a single quotation, whatever you have to mention as whether the character or else a group of character or words, then it's considered as a string only. So this is a very basic fundamentals. So you in this conclusion, you never ever put Boolean letters in a single double quotation. What you get a conclusion here? So Boolean, we never put single and double quotation. That you have to remember. So
Okay.
all of you find this one. This is the brief explanation. All of you clear this one? Spandana, you got it right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So Vamsi, you have clear right all these things? Yeah. Okay. So please respond. This is not a one-way teaching. You have to interact with when I asking the questions, then I know that you can understand. So I just a quick recap this one. So if I can specify like a string, what are the data types in the Python? We already discussed. How many types of data types are there? String, integer, decimal, complex, Boolean. These are the data types. Okay. So, but when you have to specify string, string equal to str, Then integer, int, and complex, and boolean, bool. Okay. So what is the difference between here? I will tell you. Okay. These are the data types. Okay. These are the data types. These are the conversions. Okay. If any value convert into the string, if any value convert into the integer, if any value convert into the complex and boolean, these are the method symbols. These are the method symbols. These are the data types. We have to remember all these things. Okay, got it right? Are you clear on this, Naresh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Suppose A equal to 10. This is a string. Okay. This is a string, or else. Okay. This is, so suppose this is an integer. I'm trying to convert this integer to string. Okay. Then coming to A equal to 20. So what about this one? If I declare like this, is this what type of integer this is? This is also integer, right? But the thing is integer string. So why? Because a string is always denotes with double quotation or single quotation. If it is a number, integer, string. Now coming here, I give an example. So if I take a equal to 10, and then coming here, so str, I have to give a and shift a, then see here, if this is a number, this number I need to convert into a string. A string is denotes double quotation or single quotation. It will convert it and displayed here. Are you clear on this? Suppose,
Yes, sir.
yeah, suppose if I want to convert like a 10.5, is this possible to convert? It is a string. Let me check. Yes, even though it is a integer or decimal, both will be converted into a string. Suppose if I have to give here like a 10 plus 10j. What is this? This is a complex boolean, complex constant, right? This complex, will it possible to convert as a string? Yes, it's possible to convert as a string. Okay. Got it right? Suppose if I have to take b1 equal to true. If you go for any interview, these are this type of tricky questions they will ask. So str of b1 I can give. Then even though this one also converted, right? But it's not converted. Why? Try this one. Make it print x1 printer. Then it's showing like this. You have to hold the value like this. See, it will show that it's true. Why? Because it's not converted, because the string values, the true or false. So even though Boolean got converted to string, when you can specify like a string, otherwise it's won't convert. Right? X equal to, I can take like a true and enter, coming here, str of x, I can give shift enter, then it will convert it, right? Simple. So this is the way we can use to, even though it is a Boolean, it will be converted to the, by using on this Boolean string method, it will be converted. All these things you have to remember. Okay. Then we already discussed what about the str, int, complex. Same way it will be converted, integer, complex, and all these things is there. Suppose I have to take a one int, let's see, a equal to 10. Like I have to mention like this. This is an integer string, right? This one I need to give int a. What I get the output here? What I get the output here? Anybody tell me? If a string can convert it into integer, I get expecting for the integer, right? Previously, it is a string converted to, previously it will be converted to string to number to string, and now it is a number. So number string, it will be converted to integer. Through integer method, we have to convert. Suppose if I have to give like a equal to, this is very important. This is the what I am trying to, A, B, C is there. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 is there. What is this? This is the alphanumeric string. So is this converted to integer? It is possible. Int a, then shift enter. You get a error because invalid literal for the int with the base 10. So you have to follow the rules. The Python, everything we have to follow the rule. So it's expecting a numeric string. Okay, it's expecting a numeric string. Okay, not for this type of string. Alphanumeric string, it won't be converted. Okay, we have carefully with this